Good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. It's video number 58 now, I believe. Got in late last night, so I didn't get a chance to do a video, but this is last night's earnings, 0.34%. So I made 47.51 on the money I have invested in the system. So that's pretty good. It's a lower day, but I still made money, so I'm not complaining. As you see, I have a new user who joined my team roughly about an hour or two ago, actually. So I want to thank all you guys for joining my team, getting on board with this earning opportunity, which allows you to make passive income. So yeah, guys, like I just showed here, I made 47.51 last night. Adds to the total here. We go over to here we go. I'm on investments. It added on to this here, so now I'm at 379.19 for the month, and the month being 11 days, guys. So I'm 11 days in the month, and I've already made, where is it, $379.19. It's beautiful. And of course I did make some bonus here at the top, the 51.24. That's team bonus for a couple new users. So yeah, guys, things are moving along really smoothly. As you can see, I've all-time made $12,263.53. That's my total earnings since I joined S Group, which will be in a couple more months. It'll be 2 years officially, because we're in August and I joined in October of 2020. So yeah, guys, things are moving along really smoothly. A lot of people have been emailing me, asking me questions about various things, which is really great, guys. Keep the emails coming. I'll answer all your questions. My email's in the description down below. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below as well, this video, so you can see all my progress and my daily reports here that I'm doing. I know I took a couple weeks off because I had some personal things going on, but I'm now back on top of things. Yeah, so as you see, guys, here I still have the $18,299.58 invested in the Forex market, so I have that moving along real well. S Pharmaceutical, that is the medical cannabis, medical marijuana. It's another facet of the company you can invest in. As you see here, guys, you can invest in the full cycle, which is $25,000 minimum, production $2,500 minimum, extraction $5,000 minimum, sale $7,500 minimum, or products $10,000 minimum. So what you do is you invest that money into each of these aspects of the pharmaceutical, medical cannabis, and then you basically get a percentage of all the earnings that they make off of your investment, guys. So it's like a win-win situation. You get money, they get money. So also the SIPO, that is their own stocks that they have. They have a collection of different stocks on the stock market that the computer does automatic trading with. And with this, you can make an investment. It's just kind of like Forex, basically. Same breakdown as well. Whatever amount of money you invest in it, you'll get the percentage here in blue. You'll get that back, and they'll get the percentage in black. So that's kind of how that goes, guys. Yeah, and then liquidity mining, that's their own token system that they have. That's something else you can invest in, guys. So yeah, a lot of different areas you can invest in. So far, I'm just invested in the Forex market. So I've just been rocking that since 2020. Because when I joined back in 2020, that's all that was available, just the Forex market. So, but in any event, guys, yeah, when you come into Forex, you can start at any one of these levels. Usually the first 3 levels is what most people start in. And then from there, you can take your earnings, reinvest, work your way up to these other levels, or you can just add on to your investment, which will work up to these higher levels. And yeah, then you'll be good to go, guys. So my next goal is to get to the $25,000 level. I'm just under 19,000, so I should be getting there very soon. Kind of excited for that. And once I reach this level, guys, I'll be making roughly about 500 USD a week. So I'm pretty excited for that. So